Haraglitch Block Blast. So here's what you want to do. You want to load up the Block Blast application, and here we will go into the classic mode first. Then once you've gone into classic mode, you will begin with one of these, either horizontal or vertical. Now if you get it horizontal, like I have it right here, you want to go 1, 2, 3 and go into the fourth one and place it like so. Now afterwards, what we're gonna do is just place this block like this over it, and this one right above it. Now as you can see, this is giving us more and more full blocks. So now what we can begin doing is stacking them. So as you can see here, I have this one and I can complete this line, and if I complete this one as well, it's gonna give me more and more blocks which are not of the odd shape. So if I have odd shaped ones, you will do it like this, but you don't want to complete the fourth line, and you just want to go and continue doing up to here like this. You want to leave the fourth line empty. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.